Welcome. Today, we are not merely creating a painting, we are crossing a quiet threshold into a world where acrylic whispers, where palette knives dance, and where the simplest tools reveal extraordinary mysteries. Every layer holds a secret, every texture carries a memory, every stroke awakens the artist within. Welcome to a voyage through stunning textured abstract art. Let us begin. Gather your palette knives, your sponge, your tiny magical tools. Place them quietly before you. Now, take one slow breath, a deep breath. Allow the mind to become still. Leave the outside world behind. Just for a little while, invite your inner artist to gently take your hand. Today, we shall not chase creativity. We shall simply allow it to arrive. Our first guide is surprisingly humble, a simple bottle cap. Small, ordinary, often unnoticed. Yet, in the hands of an artist, it becomes magical. Watch carefully. Every gentle touch leaves behind a quiet impression. Every soft dab adds another heartbeat, another whisper, another memory. Tiny circular movements begin to repeat, slowly, gracefully, one beside another, then another, without hurry, without force. The surface begins to respond, almost as if the canvas has started breathing. Nothing is random, nothing is wasted. Every tiny imprint finds its place. The texture does not rush. It unfolds patiently, one gentle touch at a time. This is not repetition. It is rhythm, a silent rhythm that slowly transforms the ordinary into something extraordinary. Now, the landscape begins to rise, layer after layer. The canvas slowly breathes. What was once flat begins to awaken. Gentle elevations appear, soft valleys emerge, beautiful ridges catch the light. Each new layer honors the previous one. Nothing stands alone, everything belongs. Depth is never created in a single moment. It is born patiently, quietly, one thoughtful layer at a time. Heavy textures invite the eye, invite the hand, invite the imagination. Now, allow the texture to rest for about an hour. Let time do its quiet work. The surface is ready. A small palette knife begins the conversation, not with force, but with gentleness. Every carving reveals another path. Soft lines appear, hidden rivers emerge. Tiny valleys find their direction. Now, another little carving tool joins the journey. Delicate marks, gentle scratches, subtle patterns, almost invisible, yet full of meaning. The texture begins telling its story, quietly, patiently, only to those who truly observe. Before we continue, there is one final step. a soft, dry brush, moving gently across the surface. Loose textures slowly drift away. Not everything needs to remain. Sometimes beauty appears only after we let go. Now, allow the artwork to dry completely in silence. The journey has only just begun. Before color arrives, pause just for a moment. Look closely at every ridge, every valley, every gentle curve. The journey of color begins. Olive green steps onto the stage, calm, grounded, full of life. Soon, turquoise blue flows gracefully like peaceful water. Then, golden yellow, bringing warmth, soft light, a gentle glow. And then, black quietly arrives, not to hide the beauty, but to deepen it, to give it strength, presence, mystery. Each color finds its place. Each color welcomes the next. Nothing competes. Everything belongs together. And now, something beautiful happens. The harmony begins. Boundaries slowly fade. Edges become softer. Distinctions quietly dissolve. Every color listens. Every color responds, like musicians finding the same melody. One note welcoming another, until separate voices become one. The painting no longer speaks in colors. It speaks in feeling, in silence, in harmony. And now, only one companion remains. Metallic gold, not to dominate, but to illuminate. The sponge becomes weightless, almost like a feather. Its touch is patient, almost like a loving kiss. Soft dabs, gentle presses, one after another, never rushing, always listening. Tiny reflections begin to awaken quietly, gracefully. The glossy surface comes alive. Light begins to dance. Every raised texture receives a golden blessing. Every gentle touch breathes new life into the artwork. And now, the final moment, a humble scrap brush, barely touching the highest peaks, only a whisper of metallic gold. Nothing more, nothing less, just enough for the light to discover its path. As the brush glides gently, the textures begin to glow. Every highlight feels like the first light of a new dawn. Now, take a step back, take one slow breath, simply observe. Allow the artwork to reveal itself. This is more than texture, more than color, more than technique. It is a quiet conversation between imagination, patience, time, and the silent artist within you. Thank you for sharing this beautiful journey. May every canvas bring you closer, not only to beautiful art, but also to yourself. Until we meet again, keep creating, keep exploring, keep listening, and keep awakening. See you in the next creative journey.